just got the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the clear Gadget case. I'm going to be unboxing these two. The color on the phone is sky blue because I have a little bit of a blue theme going on with my Samsung devices. These are my Galaxy Buds and my tablet. So I like these colors, they were quite nice. So let's see how the sky blue looks on this phone. Let's go. So let's begin. Haha, that didn't work. That didn't work either. This side was better. Let's just okay, Samsung, something's wrong here. Got it. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, so right now we don't see the color. We still don't see the color. So the screen has this black protection on. And look at this. This is the color. It's a little bit lighter than all the others that I have here, but it's okay. I like the bezels that are not black. I like this silver color, and the camera bumps also have this silver color. So far it looks very nice. Has the S Pen. The S Pen is black, but the end is silver. Okay, let's see if it comes charged. There you go. Okay, welcome, and it's 50%. So let's see what else is here. Nothing else here. No charger anymore. We don't get chargers with these ones anymore. There's a cable, and there's the tool to get the SIM card in and out. So let's try it. And yep, only the SIM card, no more micro SD card, at least for me, because I have the Note 20 Ultra, so I'm used to having an SD card. But this is the 512 gigs, so it should be enough. I don't even have that much here, SD card and all. So it comes with a little bit of a quick start guide. And USB-C to USB-C cable. And that's all there is in the box, which is good. Not much waste. Now let's take a look at the case. I got the clear case this time. It's just like a basic case. It was $20 Canadian, $40 off when I bought the phone. So usually it's 60. I like to have this. So usually I had this on my previous Note devices, this S-View case. So when I had the Note 8, the clear part was the whole screen. Then I upgraded to this Note 20, and it's only this thin little stripe here, which it kind of works, but I used to like the bigger one. And for this one, I didn't get it. I didn't get this style of case. I've seen that it has only like a square here. So this time, and if I put this case on, which is black, then I wouldn't be able to see the blue color. I already see fingerprints here, a little bit, not that much. So let's take a look at the clear Gadget case. I guess I should use some scissors or something else, but I'll do it this way anyways. Here we go. So yeah, it is clear. Here's the case itself. It has like a button or a support bracket for the tools that you want to install. I believe they come in multiple choices, and I'm hoping there's a ring in here because it's in the picture, right? So I think this is the ring. Yes, slide to unlock. So without reading the instructions, let's see how easy it is to put this here. I believe I have to take this off. Yep, I do have to take it off. There you go. And then slide this into place. There you go. Slide to unlock. Let's use it on the whole phone before I get more fingerprints, which I'm already doing. I wonder if I can still use a screen protector with this. That'll be a good test. It's not sliding in very easily. I don't want to break this on camera, or off camera for that matter. Okay, there you go. And this is how it looks. Pretty neat, pretty clean. The buttons are here. And this is supposed to be a stand as well. Oh, it is. There you go. It is a stand. So I guess you can use it like this. It's good enough. Does it work like as a ring? It's like a bigger version of a ring, right? So what else is here? This one has a bigger sheet of paper, which is just the same information in many languages. How to set it up? No, not even that. So yeah, that's it. And I'm gonna set this one up and hopefully it'll be great. Thank you for watching.